What's one of a small business owner's worst fears? You might think of your business shutting the doors or struggling to turn a profit. But there's another huge common concern, the possibility of an audit. Audits are not just stressful, they're time-consuming. We've spoken to many small business owners over the years who have worried about audits impacting their efficiency. There's always that fear of saying the wrong thing to an auditor or accidentally providing inaccurate information. This brings us to a crucial question. Can an accountant help if my small business gets audited? The short answer is yes. Today, we'll explore how accounting firms like CSI can assist you in the event of a small business tax audit. Real quick, make sure to subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on tax tips, financial advice, and general small business knowledge. A tax audit is the government's method of verifying a business's income and expenses. There are two main types: sales tax audits and income tax audits. Sales tax audits, conducted by the state, and are about filing and paying sales and use tax. Income tax audits, on the other hand, focus on your tax returns. And while sales tax audits are more common, income tax audits are less frequent but potentially more challenging. Sometimes you as an individual might receive a CP 2000 letter. However, for businesses, in-person audits are more common, where an auditor physically reviews your records. Sales tax audits can often be random, and most businesses will experience one every few years. Income tax audits, though, typically arise from mismatched information or underreported income. Here's a comforting fact: income tax audits are rare, and with a trusted expert like CSI, you won't have to shoulder the burden alone. At CSI, audit representation is included in your monthly accounting fee. We offer direct support with the IRS, handle appeals, and even represent you in a sales tax audit if we're preparing your returns. For new clients already facing an audit, we offer support for that as well for an additional fee. Audits can be overwhelming, but understanding what they are and their causes is a good start, and how firms like CSI can help. So stop worrying about tax audit support. Feel free to reach out to us for a free consultation and start the conversation. Click the link below or in the description to schedule your free consultation today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.